Hi, Joan. It's so nice to meet you. I'm Adriana from Jiffy Lube, SoCal, and I spoke to Meals on Wheels in Pasadena, and they told me all about you. I couldn't wait to meet you. So thank you so much for taking the call. And can you tell me what made you start volunteering for Meals on Wheels?
Well, when my husband retired, we looked around for some kind of charity that we could help, And there was a notice in our church bulletin, and although Meals on Wheels is non-denominational, it didn't matter. And it looked interesting, and so we thought this is something we'd like to do because I believe a person could stay in their home as long as they can.
Right.
It's good for them. They're more comfortable, and if we could, provide the meals to them, that would work. So
That's
we
fantastic.
started, and my husband and I did it for, until his death, 10 years till his death, and then I've done it for 15 years afterwards. So
Altogether, you've been doing it for how long now?
over 25 years. I do it Tuesdays and Thursdays every week.
Do you have an experience that stands out, like a fun story for us?
My daughter used to call me every day, and I got really irritated at her for doing this. I kept saying, I'm fine. I don't need you checking up on me. And then one day we were delivering to a client, and looked through the door, and she was lying on the floor by the washing machine, and she had been there all night. And so we called the 911, got some help for her. Needless to say, I don't object to my daughter calling me anymore.
That is very good advice. I have to call my mom now. Giving them the food is one thing, but also just giving them a little visit and checking
Yeah, we
up on
can't
that.
stay for long. We don't stay for long, but we do chat, and they look forward to our coming. And if I happen to take off for any reason, they're concerned that I might be sick, and they're asking my substitute, "Where's Joan? What happened to her?" So, but I'm just as concerned when they're not there. So.
Jiffy Lube SoCal is partnering with Meals on Wheels. We'd like to highlight, the volunteers that do all the hard work. As appreciation, we'd like to send you a gift card, $150, Jiffy Lube. You can keep your car road ready.
Well, thank you.
Thank you so much for all you do. 25 years, that's amazing.
Well, I get more out of it, I think, than they do, but I enjoy it.
I wish you very well, and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.